Why am I laying out that groundwork? Is the way we've been using agentic AI is I have a new insight into rapid forecasting predictability. So let's take a big ERP implementation, for example, right? At a peak, when you've developed all of the custom software and you're implementing user acceptance testing, at your peak, you've got developers, you've got employees, you've got vendors, you've got contractors, you've got banking interfaces, all of that can be a burn rate on these bigger projects north of $1 million a week, depending on how big these are on these, international big ERP implementations, okay, at their peak. So understanding your burn, not just today, but where you're headed is extremely crucial. And when you're going to burn that money matters, right? So for the first time, we can inject based off of not just headcount, some flat spreadsheet predictor. I can look at knowing what the project plan holds ahead, what past projects have had. I can very rapidly access past performance information from our other consulting projects, and I can create these predictive algorithms, Monte Carlo-esque type algorithms, very, very quickly to even derive what would be a predicted timesheet, vendor bills, material bills, and things like that, weeks and months in advance. And nothing's perfect, they never are, but these models have been closer to what we've seen in the past than when I used to have to do, flat predictions or just kind of edit baseline based off of, we call it the snowplow model, work that's not yet been done in your value models, where you still have to count that work in the future and you're doubling up, and you've got overtime and loads and all of that stuff. So a lot of that modeling has become not only more available to us, but available to us more quickly.